ESG Explorer's B2B SaaS platform leverages data and analytics to provide insights into sustainability goals and actionable recommendations in real time.
Each year, corporations spend billions and billions of dollars to achieve carbon neutrality. In reality, companies get stuck greenwashing. Hi, my name is Dirk, and I'm the CEO and founder of ESG Explorer. We have developed a solution for businesses that are serious about limiting their carbon emissions and actually achieving tangible, sustainable development goals. We deliver a scalable cloud-based platform to manage carbon footprint in real time across an organization's entire value chain so that greenwashing can be eliminated. Why do so many companies end up greenwashing? Because they're using too many assumptions. Why are they using these assumptions? Because they don't have robust data about their carbon emissions. That's where our platform comes into play. On our executive dashboard, companies can see the total carbon emissions and also the carbon emissions that come from logistics, from raw material consumption, and from energy use. Management can also analyze carbon emissions comparing different locations, for example, London versus Tokyo. They can also see how carbon emissions develop over time, in this case, over the last 5 years. Next, we are going to take a look at the procurement process in more detail, where we can see every activity that's happening during the procurement process. We can see the associated costs and also the associated carbon footprint to get a holistic picture of what's going on. Our solution does not stop at visualization and analysis, but we also provide recommendations. For example, if the company is using a vendor that generates a high carbon footprint, we will recommend switching to another vendor with a low footprint. And we will have an interface to the underlying system, in this case SAP, to change the vendor. And we also have a messaging here that says you are going to save carbon credits and you can trade some of your carbon credits on the market because you don't need them anymore. We are a sustainability tech startup and we are operating in a market with huge potential. Already this year in 2022, the total market size is about $50 billion, and it's expected to grow to around $100 billion in just 4 years. We plan to evolve into a global integrated technology platform. As you saw, we already have a model to visualize, analyze, and provide recommendations on reducing carbon footprint. In the future, we will develop other models within sustainability, create links to carbon credit trading, and build models on the blockchain to make them even more reliable. Invest in sustainability, because companies that are not serious about reducing their carbon emissions will be punished by investors, by their customers, and by their employees. ESG Explorer launched on May 1st in Switzerland, and our projected revenues for this year are about $300,000 and $2 million for next year. We project $31 million in sales by 2026 with a 73% gross margin. Our ask for this seed round is $2 million that we will use for product build out and deployment, for team hiring, and for building partnerships. We already have a strong partnership with Celonis, the leading business transformation software provider from Germany. This will take us to 5 or 10 major customers and $1 million in net revenues. We are ESG Explorer, and we are ready to go global.